overlooking structural and foundation issues. Cosmetic fixes like painting and new flooring are tempting because they're easy to visualize and relatively straightforward to execute. But beneath the surface, a fixer-upper may be hiding serious structural issues that are far more expensive to address. Failing to spot these problems early can lead to financial and safety concerns down the line. Foundation problems are a prime example. Cracks in the foundation, uneven floors, or doors that don't close properly could indicate significant structural issues. These repairs often require specialized contractors and can cost tens of thousands of dollars. Before committing to a fixer-upper, hire a structural engineer to evaluate the property and provide an expert opinion. Other structural concerns to watch out for include roof damage, sagging ceilings, and compromised load-bearing walls. While these issues can be fixed, they add significantly to your renovation costs and timeline. Additionally, structural problems can impact the property's insurability and resale value, so addressing them should be a top priority. Even if the structure is sound, older homes often have outdated systems that need upgrading, such as electrical wiring, plumbing, and HVAC systems. These are non-negotiable repairs that can't be ignored, as they affect the safety and functionality of the home. Be sure to factor these updates into your budget when considering a fixer-upper.